What up, tubers? This is Ray from rwcweb.com. If you've been found at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop, go to rwcweb.com, okay? Put your best email in that box and I shall send you oodles of great stuff. Now, in the last video, this is part 2 of how to build a website in the ultimate drag and drop web starts. Okay, the ultimate drag and drop web starts. Okay, now if you remember in the last video, we went to the free PLR downloads. Okay, and we just downloaded this Heal Yourself Master Resell Rights booklet. Okay, came with its own landing page. We're going to take some of this and we're going to put it in here. Now, what I want to do, this is the DuckDuckGo site. Now, I'm not going to ever copy and paste anything from anybody's site unless I'm an affiliate to them. Okay, so that's like taboo, and that'll crush you on the search engine as well. What I want to do is just use this site as a means of an example on how to format your site. Okay, now in the first video we made this, I just called the file copy. Okay, we're actually using if you remember in my other videos, we made this site here. This was the 3D ebook cover. Okay, remember when we did that? Okay, you go to my videos, you'll see that. But what I want to do, and I just added a page to that. Okay, I didn't really name that. Now, web starts, again, it's the ultimate drag and drop, gang. Okay, it's the ultimate drag and drop. I've been making this blog on it. Okay, this again is another free subdomain that you get with it. Okay, they got some really great features. You can do everything that you need to do for all your website needs, all your affiliate marketing needs. You could do a one product store on this. Okay, you got an online store, you got hosted videos. Okay, it's all kinds of fonts. The search engine submissions is great. You can do your SEO, I mean, as easy as doing this. Okay, you don't have to know the code like the meta tags. I've got some videos on how to do the HTML code for the SEO and meta tags. It puts it all in automatically. Okay, there's just so much you can do with the web starts. You can do anything. It's just like one-stop shopping. Okay, now what I did real quick, because again, we're not going to copy and paste anything from anyone's site unless you're affiliate to it. Okay, that's taboo to do that. You don't really want to do that. Okay, now over here we got, let me push this over. Over here we have let me pin this guy, get some of this stuff out of the way. Alright, so now we downloaded that master resell rights. Okay, we're looking at the website. Now it's got a squeeze page. Let's see how that's looking. Okay, so it's not too bad. I like this setup with the checks on it. Okay, but we don't really want to do this just yet. Let's see what's going on with what we're mimicking here. Okay, so we're mimicking that there in a sense of where we want to have it look like that format, but we're not. Again, I can't stress it enough. We're not copying it. We're just mimicking the format. That's all we're doing. Okay, so with that healthy diet thing, just for now, we're going to take some. Okay, let's go back to the product. Okay, let's open the ebook. Looks like a pretty extensive ebook. All right. "37 pages. Alright, so let's go back first to our Mimic site. So they got a little, okay, device privacy tips. Now this is what they do, okay. So we're going to put a little headline and a little text here, okay. It looks like they got their icon, okay, pretty much. Let's see where that takes us real quick. Dax the Ducks. We're an internet privacy company for everyone who's had. Okay, so this is another part of their blog. Okay, their blog is spreadtheprivacy.com. It's pretty interesting stuff. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put a little headline and we're going to put some text. Okay, and then it tells you it's a 2-minute read, and then when you click there, okay, it's going to tell you. Oops. When you click here, it's gonna bring you to. Whoa! Look at how nice. Okay, very well formatted. Definitely looks like it's been formatted for mobile. A lot of times when you see everything big, okay, because I don't think my browser, my browser's set at 100%. So when you ever see this stuff like this, okay, it's all geared for mobile as well, automatic mobile. That's a good way to format your site. See how they did it? Okay. Nice big lettering on here. Okay. Formatted in the center. Everything's formatted in the center. This way, no matter what device they go to, even if it's not formatted for that device, the way the page is written, it will automatically do it. Okay. So right now, let's go over here. We're going to go over here and we're going to do our little thing there. And it, like this isn't centered. I could see this isn't centered. Let's go ahead and center this up. Let's see if we can, whoops. Let's see if we can make it a little bit better. Alright, I'm holding the shift key down and clicking on everything. Let's see if we can get that in the center. Okay. Alright, so we're going to leave that there. Let's save it. Okay, and let's go back to our private label rights. Alright, so we're going to take, what we're going to do is we're going to take a title from it. Alright, how about this? Chapter 1. And this is the Nitro Reader. It's free. Okay. Okay, know yourself. We're just going to highlight that. Nitro Reader, they've been around forever. Forever. We're going to do a little subheading here. Okay, we're going to modify this. I'm going to hold the Control and hit the letter A. And then I'm going to Control and hit the letter V. Okay. Know thyself. I'm going to take it like that. We're going to move it over here. Okay, we're going to go back there. Okay. Alright, so we're going to grab this. Alright, let's actually grab all of this. First paragraph of it. And go back to our site. And then we're going to add some more text. And we're going to add a little bit of body text. Grab that over here. Let's format it to fit it before we paste it in there. Okay, so we're going to click that. We're going to highlight it all. We're going to paste. Okay, and that comes out pretty nice, not too bad. Okay. Now, for what we're doing, okay, for what we're doing, this will suffice. Alright, so now we're going to continue to do that. You'll continue to do that with each chapter's headline. And then what you're going to do is, and I'll show this in the next video, when they click on it, just like in this one here, when we clicked on it, we went here. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to put that heading in there. Put that heading in there. Okay, part of the first paragraph or even descriptive information on it. Okay, when you do it my way over here like this, you don't really have to write your own text, okay? Because once they click on it, you'll have this there again, and you'll have the graphics and so forth. So just for shits and giggles and just to make this video, okay, we're gonna, whoops. Let's see if we can do this. Hold the control key. Alright, and let's do duplicate. Okay, duplicate. And again, this is just for this video, for the sake of this video, to show you how to make these types of websites, okay? So try not to, make the videos too long. I don't want to bore you guys. Alrighty, so let's save it. Let's get rid of some of this stuff here. Now remember, we're not going to make the sales page with this. We're going to take the whole program itself and we're going to use it as a blog. And then from there, what you would do is put your affiliate links in there. Okay, your self-help. Okay, so and again, I haven't tweaked it out or anything like that. We're trying to make it look like this. Okay, which as you can see, actually we're over here. So it's got a bit of a blue tint to that background. We can go ahead and check that out real quick, okay? We'll go back to the page settings, style, background. So let's do, let's see what we could do here. We don't want to do that. Let's go to more. What do we got going on? Like a real shaded blue. Oh, that's like a greenish color. That looks nice. Okay, again, just to mimic that website there. Okay, let's just give that a refresh. Okay, so as you can see, very quickly, very easily, we can put these sites together, okay, without even literally typing a word, okay, because we got our master resell rights. Okay, it's a free ebook that we get with the program, and you could do, you can make this, you can make this a sales page. Got your ebook covers in here and everything. I showed you how to make the ebook covers a little bit better than this. This one ain't too bad. Okay. But on this video, we're showing you how to make the websites, okay? Showing you how to make the websites. And again, you can use all this information to put on the website as well. This is more or less a sales page, really, is what it is, okay? But what we're doing is we're making the bridge pages and the blog type websites, okay? A lot of content in it. You can add content very easily, very readily, okay? And literally you can duplicate the look and feel of any website. And I just did this very quickly within 15 minutes, literally downloading it and putting it up there on a free subdomain with WebStarts, okay? So this is Ray from rwcweb.com. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe and hit that notification button. And I'm going to be making the third part to this video very shortly, okay? You take care.